So now on daily basis, I am doing the audit of around 5 to 6 Google accounts. The main, or we can say the biggest blunder that I see is in the location settings. I have seen that for a dentist account. So now a dentist is actually within a city, and in a city it will be only a radius targeting within their location. In one of the Google AdWords account, what I have seen, the location was only a specific city, but the person who has done the setup of the campaign, they have targeted the whole of India, that is the whole country. So now this is one of a major blunder that we can say, because somebody from different state, they will not be going to that specific city only for a dentist. The second thing that we see is that right now most of the ones who set up the Google AdWords campaign, they always choose to target the visitor based upon the interest location. So now this is what Google recommends. So now this is where the exact catch is. We should not be doing what Google recommends. We should only target those visitors within our targeted location only. So now the major downside to this is we get the clicks that are just not relevant to what we offer. For example, if I am in India and I am seeing the ads of Houston lawyer, then I definitely will not be going to America or to Houston for the attorney services. So now we should be taking care of these settings. The location targeting is one of the most important thing, and it should be taken care of. All these things should be double checked before going live.